All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a time you used your cell phone or smartphone to do something important. Come on.
These days, it is very difficult to question the importance of a cell phone. It is not just used for communication, but also for many other purposes. Recently, I use it for something I never imagined I would use it for. I used it to register a complaint with the government authorities, and I got immediate redressal for my complaint. Last month, I was traveling to Karachi by train. When I boarded, I noticed that the AC of my compartment was not working. I asked my coach caretaker if he could help me to get it fixed, but he said it had just stopped working, so it only could fix at the final destination.
Yeah, it could be fixed at
It
final
could be
destination.
fixed at the final destination. Normally, I'm very adjusting, but that day it was very hot and humid, so I couldn't just compromise on that situation. So I tweeted to the railway station, railway. The railway minister. Within 10 minutes, there was. I thought it was just a publicity stunt that people always discussed about on forum, that they helped in fixing the problem on time. But I was very surprised that within 10 minutes there was an electrician in my compartment, and within other 10 minutes they fixed the AC of my compartment, and also scolded the my coach caretaker that why.
All right, that's all fantastic. Keep it up. Good job. You spoke very comfortably, very pleasantly, and you're enjoying what you are speaking. This is something very good. Keep it up. Just minor mistake or passive voice, otherwise, all good. Now we have speaking part 3. What do you usually do with your cell phone?
Well, I do many things. I use my cell phone for many things. I am a student. So I use it for my presentations and assignments, and I also use for my for social media apps like Instagram, firstly Instagram, and secondly Facebook, and many others. So to
All
answer your
right.
question, I
Good.
use.
Very good. Overall, it's fine. But in part 3, you need to use signposting. First of all,
Firstly, yeah, yes,
secondly,
yeah.
and finally, then it'll be even better.
Yeah.
Good job. Excellent. Thank you so much.